beautiful family. How are you doing? Thank you for your love. Thank you for your support. I just can't thank you enough. So, believe in my realistic people, today, Progress the Analyst, Ehena, is here to analyze all your latest updates. Trust me, if you see me like this, second, you know that it is about to happening again. It is about to happening again in this particular place. Oh my goodness. First of all, carry your popcorn, your joko, sit down and let us touchlight this issue. We are having a special guest today. This person, he has been coming to this platform, but he has not showcased himself in this particular program. This new level of analysis, or this new level, how we analyze, touchlight, spiritize. Let me not bro grammar. But today, let's make welcome the one and only. Introduce yourself, sir.
The 12th of June 2023. Mama, this is the Master Prophet Young Joshua Yawins, the weekend one of the Biafran people, Biafran spiritual leader, the prophet and the founder of the new Igbo Biafran indigenous religion, Rufana.
You are highly welcome, sir. So, sir, please, can you talk to people? Because a lot of people want to listen. They are ready, set. Who are those people we are talking about today? Please, mention their names one after the other. The people want to know, sir.
About it on Monday. Agmekuku Basaran and the Kano, Simon Ekpa, and the Chike Dosiem. Today.
I can still remember when this issue escalated at first about the independent lawyer. I came here to analyze the issue. I brought Barrister Aloy Ejemako tweet. I was talking about it. Come and see. People came for me. They were like telling me, how do you know? How do you know? This lawyer is, this doctor, they have DSS, they are blah, blah, blah. Please, listen to our prophets explaining it more better. Who are the doctors?
Hey, just sabotage the effort. An independent lawyer, somebody spent hours traveling, making calls, contacting, making arrangements, iji huna akpọtara onwe ihe m chọrọ ikwu nga o nwere ihe m nchimekwu amam ndị ga-ege m ntị e nwere ihe maybe ya wụ na ndị bịara ihe a hala ha ga-edeno ihe ha ga-ede ihe wọpụta maka ihe na ha gara double cross na DSS tige objection DSS ekwezighị ka ndị ebeta akwụkwọ ekwesịrị ha ide akwụkwọ ha pụtawo. Okay, ya wuruzie na Maazị Nnamdi Kanu na eziokwu na ntị ya nwere problem na achọrọ ịwa ya awa ọ dị imminent na aga awa ya awa, so that means ago awa ya ntị ya ha adọrọ like that. So ya wuru na ihe ekwenege ihe ewu ka enweta ihe Maazị Nnamdi Kanu requested ka akpọta lawyer ndege to counter, I think here the doctor to counter Dr. Sonona DSS choro ilete chidime operation. So Maazị Nnamdi Kanu asimba ke ya nwete an independent doctor nke ya na awụ kende DSS bota.
Sir. Because when some issues happened like this, believe your people, hey, they will start to talk, pew, everybody's talking. You are Sabo, please, we want to really hear from you. Who are those people that are sabotaging Maazị Nnamdi Kanu? Can you tell the house, please?
The last time I checked, all of them are sabotaging him. They are working the one. I'm Korea. The last time I checked, Chike Doziem and his group of Akpakara Tingom are sabotaging Mazi Nnamdi Kanu.
Come and hear wonder. Please, sir, we still want to know. Don't be offended because this, your points you are bringing, they are so educative. You are opening the eyes of a lot of people. Now, who are the people that stop the effort of the independent doctor? Please, tell the people, sir.
The last time I checked, and they're still sabotaging him. So, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, mana international doctors gabia be here, and it was arranged. Chike Doziem and his group aga sabotage this effort.
Hey, as I said before, I said, if Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is your brother, if Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is your husband, if Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is your family member, will you say that the family should not go and visit him? Or will you say that you are not going to take the major step to make sure your brother is in good condition? Are you telling me that
please, sir,
if Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is your family member
in a brief
and
sentence,
somebody said don't intrude, will you accept that? Sure, you want to follow up all the issues from one place to another. So why are you stopping the family of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu from visiting Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? Or is that not what they said? Please, sir, I want to ask, who are the people that are against the family of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? Because we didn't know. You have to tell us. Let us know, sir.
Na-enwe underground discussion with Chike Doziem na ndị DOS na ndị Akpakara Tingom Research Card Media World Ikenga na all those idiots. Enwe onye ọbụla nọ na Kanu's family. Chineke kpọọ that idiot ọkụ. Chineke ekwensu nyụọ ya mmamịrị n'isi. Okwu a m kwuru ya dagbala n'ala. Ekwensu nyụọ ya mmamịrị n'isi otu o ji na-anyụ ọ dịsa Akpakara Tingom ndị na-sabotage Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Na-anyụ ha n'isi one by one. And ọ ga-esi eti ha ga na-ahụ ihe ga na-emene. Amam na Simon Ekpa iburune group ke. But Simon Ekpa is better than all the whole Chike Doziem DOS Akpakara Tingom niile. Simon Ekpa is better than them. Simon Ekpa is better than Chike Doziem. Simon Ekpa is better than Akpakara Tingom niile. Simon Ekpa is better than all these idiots na-ekwu okwu na Radio Biafra. Simon Ekpa is 1 million better than all those Akpakara Tingom niile. Simon Ekpa ka ha mma. Because Simon Ekpa ma ihe ọ chọrọ, and he has gone for that. And I respect him for that. Simon Ekpa is better than all those idiots. Chike Doziem, Akpakara Tingom. Ha niile na-ekwu okwu na Radio Biafra. Simon Ekpa is number 1. Better than all of them.
Before now, some people said Radio Biafra is a place of worship. Some say, oh, Radio Biafra is a place where they talk, but we don't know. Sir, please, what really happened on Radio Biafra? Let us know.
This Chike Doziem and this idiot okporo onwe lawyer nọ na Nigeria Ojofu ha ga sabotage effort an independent lawyer ihe spendri a lot of money ịkpọta people ga-eje double cross ihe si mba anyị achọghị ka ndụ mee ka anyị ji aka anyị ọ ka anyị nọ n'ọdị a ọ ka anyị mee ya ọ ka anyị examine before any other thing. Ha sabotage ya pụta na Radio Biafra na-akọ yawo.
In fact, right now, we are tired of all this confusion. All this woto, all this is that is happening on behalf of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. We are tired. If you see my hand, you will see two original walking, talking. We are about to call the minister. Enough. We were told that he is the last man standing. A lot of people say they don't have the phone number of the minister. Please, I am here to give you the phone number of the minister. Enough is enough. We are dialing the number. See, with two different lines. One is for Finland and one is for Biafra government in exile. We are dialing the number live. Who does that? How can we be in this place, be talking, and we don't have the phone number of the minister? Who does that? Please, carry your barrel, your pen. Let me give you the phone number of the minister before we call on our prophet. Oh my God, no. Let me stop. Wait. Hello? Is that Simon Ekpa? Please. Oh, thank God you are the right place. This is progress, the analysis. And there is someone that needs your phone. Hello? Oh, Madam Azuka. Okay. Please. The minister said this. He's very busy. Yeah. Hello? Oh, over. This Gaddafi? Gaddafi of Biafra. Oh, Gaddafi. Oh, you are among the IPOP autopilot media warrior. Okay. All right. Someone is in need of the phone number of the minister. Can you give it? Yeah, he needs it. Can you give it to us? Okay, we should hold on. Oh, let's hold on. Let's hold on for Master Prophet. Oh, over to you, Master Prophet. Give us the phone number.
Simon Ekpa. Chọrọ nam telephone number Simon Ekpa ka m kpọọ ya ka mụ na ya kwuo okwu. Nweta nọmba Simon Ekpa aga m akpọ ya. Even yara ahụ mkpọ ya live. Chineke kpọọ n'ọkụ. Ndị oshi, ndị ọjọọ jọrọ njọ.
We can't just go like this without not allowing Master Prophet to say something about Madamine Nayaya, Kanu, and every other good person. Please, over to you, Master Prophet. Tell us briefly about these people.
Ekelele nne ya anya wụ naanị nwaanyị kara aka ya na Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Chineke nye Mazi Nnamdi Kanu nwaanyị kara aka dịka nne ya anya. Not just dosi judge akpakachi ngom ndị sabo enemy nkọgbabere ogoro na-atụ. Chineke kelee nne ya anya. Kelee nne ya anya. Chineke gozie madam nne ya anya. Nne ya anya nwaanyị a na-eje eje mba. Onye Igbo ọbụla kpee ekpere ka enweta nwaanyị dịka nne ya anya a na-eje eje mba. Ụmụ nwaanyị di ha ga-anọ na nsogbu. Ha na-agba di ha mgbe okpuru, na-sabotage di ha, na-eri di ha ụgbakọrọtele. Nne ya anya jibute nwaanyị kara aka kajara akaja. Chineke ekele nne m barista lawyer Ejimakọ. Barista ewepụga barista lawyer Ejimakọ. Ọ nọ Mazi Nnamdi Kanu a na-atụ na mkpọrọ 50 years imprisonment. Ekele nne m barista lawyer Ejimakọ. Ekele nne m Kanu nta. Ekele nne m High Chief Ogbuefi. Chineke ala Igbo na-agbaghara.
So, after the one you said about Madamine Nayaya and Mazi Kanu, we were also told that you also have a message for the GOS. Is it true? If it's true, let's give you the floor so you talk to them a little.
Chike doziem ekwensu ga-anyo gị mmamịrị n'isi. Gị na ndị otu gị dozi ji otu gị na ha nọ na DOS. Ekwensu ga-anyo nọ mmamịrị n'isi. This game nnu ji Nnamdi Kanu na-atụ game. Na-atụ hanky panky. Ekwensu ga-anyo nọ mmamịrị n'isi. Ekwensu ga-anyo nọ mmamịrị n'isi. Chineke ga-akpọ nnọọ. Chike doziem Chineke ga-akpọ gị ọkụ. Chineke ga-akpọ gị ọkụ. Ịhụ na ihe ị mere last weekend or last week or last 2 weeks. Stop on the lawyer jeje huma the doctors jeje huma as in the Kano. Ka ha mata independently ihe megene. Ma ihe doctor kwuru na DSS mo eziokwu. Independent doctors. Chike dozie m na ojiofo efulefu ojiofo a stop wire. Chineke ga-akpọ n'ọkụ. Chineke na-akpọ mmadụ ọkụ. Ekwensu ala Igbo kara aka ga-anyụ nnụ mmanụ n'isi. Arụ ala nọ na-arụ. Ekwensu ga-akpọ n'ọkụ. Ekele m na gara go. This 10 gbana m anya mmiri. Ma gba nkịtị. Ekwugide elukwu ndị mmadụ akpọgide what is going on. Kpọgide o nwere ofu enyi m nwaanyị. Ofu enwere m ofu Catholic nun mụ na ya dị na mma. Ọ na m na-ajụ m ya o nwere Catholic nun mụ na ya dị na mma. Ọwụhụ ndị Christian niile ka m na-like. O nwere one Catholic nun mụ na ya dị na mma bi na America. Jụọ na m ajụjụ what is really going on? You can't blame.
Oh my goodness. After all this, what is really happening on Radio Biafra? Do you have any little pieke to talk about what is going on right now on Radio Biafra?
Chike dozie m ha ga-anọ na Radio Biafra tụọ ashị. All this ndị na-eso ha ekpere because they are not awakened.
So, my realistic people, that bring us to the end of this update. See, let me tell you something. You know that I normally round it up and I say it the way it is. The only truth teller, the analyst without bias. Yes, I give you straightforward. You know what in life? It's only going to take time. No matter how you try to hide the truth, at the right time, it's going to come out. I remember the one video that the Prime Minister made. He said, I am not the way people are thinking that I am. I wish the family of Mazina Kanu can just realize that I am a good person. That day is the same thing that happened when they were talking about this doctor. That was when he said it. And he broke down emotionally. See, let me tell you something. Now, there is no way you will hide the truth. At the right time, people that did not know the truth will begin to be seeing the truth and know the truth. And there is no way you try to cover someone else's shine. You can't cover someone's glory no matter how you try, because you are not the one that gives the glory to the person. And at the right time, that glory is going to speak. Out of every nonsense, there is a message. Out of every mess, there is a message. Out of every story, there is a glory. We are here. We are watching the situation. Don't forget to subscribe to Progress the Analyst. And make sure you share our videos, because we will be bringing you all the updates back to back. Anything that is going on, you will see it here. Believe me. You remember there is one certain time that Master Prophet said, Simon Ekpa, stop attacking the family of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. See, let me tell you something. I don't forget something. I remembered everything. He said, I believe that Simon Ekpa can work together with Mazi Kanu. That the Prime Minister should stop attacking the family of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Believe me, there is really up and down and all that. When he passed the message, a lot of people did not really see the mystery of what he's saying. But presently, people begin now to sit themselves down and begin to reason. That is why I am reminding you of this. You remember when Master Prophet said, Simon Ekpa, you will work with Kanu. Stop attacking the family of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Yes, I still remember he said it. And today, thank God, the Prime Minister stopped attacking. This side stopped attacking. And you see the connection that is coming. Even if they are not talking verbally, but the work and the body language, you will know that there is peace between these people, and that is what we really want. So please do well to share this video, like and subscribe, because Progress the Analyst is here for you, and I will give you all the update back to back. What to still continue. Thank you so much, and bye bye.